Hey, we gotta face it. Inflation is through the roofs, groceries are more expensive than ever, and rent prices are going up way faster than any sort of income is. Literally, groceries are up 24% in the past 3 years alone. Inflation is out of control, and people's lives are out of control. So, what you have to do if you want to take full control over your life is to control your income. And unfortunately, these days, just having that one job is practically not an option anymore. If you want to get ahead, you unfortunately have to have a side hustle. In the past, it was an option to have some extra spending money, but if you want to stop living paycheck to paycheck or just increase your income by 20, 30, or 40%, a side hustle is the fastest and easiest way to do that. And luckily for you, now with AI, it's easier than ever to get started. And in today's video, I'm going to break down 7 of the best AI-powered side hustles that you can start today. No matter what age you are, where you're at in the world, as long as you have a computer, a phone, an internet connection, all 7 of these are going to work for you. And again, these aren't just some theoretical side hustles. I've personally have experience in every single one of these. I've made money from it, and I've helped broker more than millions of dollars in each one of these categories. So I know what works and I know what doesn't work. And you're going to want to stick around for the whole video because one of these side hustles on this list is the one that I'm doubling down on in 2026. Did you know that a huge percentage of today's kids, when they're surveyed what they want to be when they grow up, they choose YouTubers? Not firemen, not policemen, but YouTubers. And here's the funny part. You don't actually need to be famous on YouTube. You don't need a big following, and you don't even need to show your face to start making money on social media. And even with a small following, you can make a 6-figure a month income fairly easily. Typically, the easiest entry point for social media marketing is to find a good affiliate. And then you can basically create content around that affiliate with AI. It's insanely easy right now, and AI can do basically everything. It can help you brainstorm ideas, do the research on trending products, or just problems that people are having and how your product solves them. It can write scripts, it can even create the videos for you, and it can save a ton of time with the editing. Essentially, imagine running a completely faceless YouTube channel where the AI avatar reads your scripts, AI edits the video, and schedules the uploads. Basically, all you got to do is plug your affiliate links and make sure that your videos are getting views around that topic that you're promoting for your affiliate. Every time somebody clicks your link and buys something, you essentially get paid. And one of the biggest affiliate marketplaces out there is Amazon Affiliate. So if you're linking to a camera on your YouTube channel and they buy a TV, you actually get affiliate commission for all those items in their cart. So there's a lot of controversy on how AI is going to shape YouTube channels and social media. In my opinion, I think there's going to be a place for AI content creators, but I personally believe that having a personal brand, being a real human that you can meet in real life, you can host meetup, you can actually grow a personal brand with a human connection, I think that's going to be irreplaceable. And the reason behind this is because we've seen time and time again with COVID, yeah, people can work remotely around the world, but it can't replace that special feeling when events happen in person. There's a time and place for being a social influencer, but those people are going to want to follow somebody that they actually trust. And I think there's a huge trust factor now with AI content. If you have to decide between the two, I would choose the route of building your own personal brand and then building up trust and finding products that you actually believe can help the world and then becoming an affiliate for those. If you could learn one skill to make a ton of money, it's sales. Just face it, sales is one of the best skills to know, and it's one of the biggest things you can use to leverage if you don't have a lot of experience. You can learn quickly and you can start making a lot of money. You don't need a degree, and you can basically build this as a side hustle and get started doing a few hours a day. High ticket sales has always been one of the fastest ways, and you can actually expedite your process to getting better with AI. There's now tools that can literally listen to your calls, create the transcripts, and then give you live feedback on how you actually can improve. They can analyze your tone, tell that you're talking too much, point out when you miss an opportunity, and they can even sync up to prior calls that people have had with this lead to give you some insights before you get on. Now, this is where I see AI really helping out. It can really improve your sales technique to make you a better salesperson. And again, it can also do some really cool things. It can send automated messages before your calls, so it's increasing your show up rate. It can also get you more leads booked, so it's increasing the people that are on your calendar. All these AI tools tools are great. And I've seen some really cool technology where AI is actually dialing people and having them set appointments. I don't think it's going to get to the point where it can have a full hour-long presentation and actually understand that. But I do think on the top of funnel, it can make the bottom of funnel a little bit easier. And that's where I see the next step with AI technology. And if you're wanting to build a side hustle, the easiest way is to find a product and company you are passionate about, you believe in, and just become a commission-only salesperson for them. Basically, everyone's going to be like, hey, I'll source my own leads and I'll close those leads for you. All I want is a good cut of that sales commission. That's basically a win-win offer for everyone. And again, you can really make some good money doing this.
If you guys like that part, you're gonna love this. I'm giving away my best-selling book for absolutely free, and here's how you can get the audiobook in just a few seconds. Inside this book is the same techniques I've used to work abroad in paradise in more than 100 different countries. And the best part, this strategy hasn't just worked for me, it's helped hundreds of thousands of people earn more, work less, and travel the world. I'll leave a QR code here where you can get the audiobook for free with a free 30-day Audible subscription.
One of the biggest problems I see every business owner talk about is not enough leads and not enough qualified leads that are going to convert at the right price point. This is the nuances that most people don't understand. Yeah, we can spend a $10,000 and get a bunch of leads, but if they're not converting at the right amount, it doesn't make any sense. So figuring out a DM outreach strategy is going to be one of the best side hustles for you. If you can understand how to get people more leads and how to automate that whole process using AI tools like Dripify, Wallexy to actually inbound and qualify leads and then pass them over to a company or even sell them yourself, you can really generate a lucrative side hustle doing this. And this is basically DM outreach with AI automation. You can basically plug into people's LinkedIn's, Instagram accounts, or even just send emails to people. And your sole process is just to get people interested in it, qualify them, and then pass them over to a company's sales team. And again, this is really passive. Once you have a working, it can kind of just work on autopilot. Now, there's a lot of cool ways to structure this, but this is one of the best side hustles out there. And again, what you can do is you can find creators who aren't DMing their audiences because they just don't have enough time. They've got the trust built up, and you can set up a structure that's not super spammy, where you're just trying to help people and you're trying to isolate that 10% of people who want help, have the money to, get that help, and then can actually implement what you're going to teach them. So it's a win-win for everyone. Check your Instagram, check your social media feeds. And again, if you haven't noticed yet, the majority of them are actually all videos. Video is taking over. Whether you're on LinkedIn, whether you're on Facebook or Instagram, all of these platforms are now shifting to be video-focused platforms. And again, we're watching this on YouTube, and video is the key focus. I see it as the #1 shift in all social media platforms. And fortunately, I don't see this trend going away anytime soon. So the business model I'm talking about here is drop servicing a video editing agency powered by AI. Now, what does that actually mean? Basically, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be hiring a video editing expert. Then your job is going to be landing clients. I suggest finding people who are already creating content like long form podcast or long form videos. And then basically you're going to take those videos, find the best parts using AI, and then turn those into clips. You're going to curate every single one, and then you're going to make sure that they're actually going viral and getting reach for that person. You're going to basically create a strong reliance on growing your individual person's brand with this short form video reach. Now, there's a lot of ways to structure this, but basically you pay your video editor a certain amount, you charge the client this, and then you keep everything in the middle for managing all of the client relationships, landing the clients, and making sure that all of the quality of the videos is up to par. You're essentially a quality manager, and you're going to be the one who's doing all the selling to get people and get clients. This is one of the easiest agencies to start because AI handles a lot of the heavy lifting, and there's not a huge barrier to entry because you're hiring somebody that already has all the skills. Here's one of the most well-kept secrets out there for side hustles, and I don't see many people talking about it. It's called Amazon merch. Essentially, this is print on demand that you can sell through Amazon. So you can upload your own designs from AI artwork, and then you can sell t-shirts, hoodies, and other things on Amazon direct to consumers. You don't have to order inventory. All you have to do is get the designs, upload them, and figure out what is in demand. Once you find something that's in demand, you're just going to double down on that and keep creating more designs like that. You don't need to be an artist. You don't need to be good at Photoshop. All you really need to do is just understand what's popular on Amazon and how can you create designs that people like. The research stage is almost more important because you can outsource a lot of the design work on Fiverr or Upwork, or you can use AI to create a lot of this. I personally think that you can test a lot of things with AI, and then when you find something that hits, you can hire a designer to make a bunch of items like that. One of the fastest growing side hustles in 2026 is the TikTok shop. TikTok doesn't seem to be slowing down, and people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month selling small products through short videos that often take less than 15 seconds to make. The whole idea here is you don't need a product, you don't need a business, all you need is a TikTok account. What you do is you find products and services that you think will be popular, go viral, and all you got to do is make a video promoting that product or using it in a viral skit, and then there's going to be a link below where they can actually check out and use that item. And a few easy ways to stand out if you want to actually be in the top 1%, just actually order the product. Order the product, give an honest review, or use it in some funny viral way. Use this item, have it physically there, and then you're going to stand out from the crowd who are just going ahead and talking about it and showing a photo. Again, if you don't want to show your face, that's fine. There's definitely faceless TikTok shop channels, but in general, I think on TikTok and from the future of content that I see, the people who show their face are just going to have a competitive edge to get up and running faster. Now, one of the products that I'm going to be selling on TikTok Shop is my book. So if you want to actually start selling my book for me, I'll leave a link below where you can read it for free. So if you want to become an affiliate for my book, it's available on Amazon Associates or Amazon's affiliate network, but I'm planning to add it to TikTok Shop in 2026. Now, here's a secret marketplace that most people don't know you can make a ton of money on. It used to be known for making handcrafted items, but now you can sell digital products. The platform I'm talking about is called Etsy. You can sell templates, planners, journals, wedding printables, social media graphics. On Etsy, you can sell all types of digital items from planners, templates, journals, social media graphics, stickers, Notion templates, and the list goes on. And basically, AI can help you create all of them. But again, the money is made in the research. You need to fill a gap or improve upon something that's not working well. So you need to start off searching on Etsy and figure out what's working well, but hasn't been updated for a few years or has a bunch of bad reviews, but is still selling a lot of products. That means there's a high search demand for this product and category. What you need to do is you need to make the 2026 version that fixes all the problems that the negative reviews talk about. It's as easy as that. You're going to need to test out a few different items, but in general, if you figure out the right category and the right search demand, it's going to be a lot easier than trying to create that demand yourself. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit subscribe. I'm putting out new videos every single week. And again, I'm going to leave another video up here that's been hand selected for you.